Esta es la llave inalámbrica que la puedes, solo la pegas así y automáticamente se abre la puerta con esta. Esta es la llave inalámbrica. O puedes utilizar las otras llaves que son estas. Estas son las de emergencia. Abres aquí, este cosito de acá, y utilizas la llave. Así como es bien diferente, nadie va a poder copiar la llave.
Okay, I got it to go to the left. So I turn this knob and that inside piece does not move. And when I put it through the door, I can take this and I can turn it and it will unlock the door. But it won't do anything when I take the handle and just move it down. So I'm not sure if this is supposed to be connected internally or if there's something that I am not doing correctly. But I cannot make this outside handle open up the lock. Thanks.
Just installed this new door lock by Sifely. I believe I'm saying that's what it is. It has many ways of opening it. One is a key. The other one is a keypad, of course, and you enter your code. We have a fingerprint sensor, and you can also do it with your telephone. It's an awesome lock. It's really easy to install, and I like it very much. I give it 5 stars.
Operation failed. Operation failed. Battery is low. Please replace. Unlocked. Locked. Unlocked. Unlocked. Locked. Unlocked. Unlocked. Locked. Unlocked. Locked.
Small screw for this step, and yeah.
Unlocked. Unlocked. Locked.
All right.
Unlocked.
Voila.
Operation failed. Unlocked.
Here's my review for electronic door lock. This is the lock that I use for my door. It's called a Sifely lock, and as you can see, I got in with my thumbprint. But all you have to do is pretty much just tap the screen so the numbers pop up like that, boom, and then you put the code in and they'll let you in. There's also an option for a key, which I love because I have a key just in case I can't get in and somebody's trying me. But yeah, I really do like this lock a lot. I've never had any problems. I have not changed out any batteries. And it's just been a really, really good lock. The app is great. I really do like it. It's very easy for the tenants to get in and out. You can always just turn the lock completely off as well. So yeah, y'all check out Sifely.